Hello everybody, my name is Monopoly, and welcome to the Metaverse. Back again with CoinMarketCap, and we're taking a look at the price, and oh my goodness, is everything pumping today? My goodness, Bitcoin just surging right close to $52,000, and Ethereum right close to $2,800, and then we got ADA and all the other coins just not, it's not their time yet. Don't worry. They're gonna get their time. Let's actually take a look at Ethereum, just because I haven't taken a look at the price recently, just because it's kind of been sideways for the longest time. Bitcoin's really been the only thing that's been pumping, but with the speculation of the Ethereum ETFs coming up, then it makes sense for a lot of people to speculate and bet on Ethereum for price to go up. Assuming that the ETFs get approved. Once again, I still stand by my point. I do not think that the Ethereum ETF will be approved this year. Probably next year or probably in the next cycle. But definitely not this time any round, just because the Bitcoin spot ETF is still being new. I feel like more institutions are more interested in Bitcoin as to opposed to altcoins. But you never know. Only one way to find out is when the deadline comes up for the Ethereum spot ETF. But yeah, basically we were at lows of $2,400 and basically jumping up to $2,800. Take a look at the all-time chart, and we're looking at it's basically almost close to all-time highs. We just got to get to that resistance level, the 3,500 level, and as soon as after it blows that, then just sky's the limit at that point, basically close to all-time highs. I'm really surprised at what the current prices are going right now, just because the halving is still about like 2 months away. We take a look at Bitcoin right here, 47,000, just literally just 5 days ago at the time of recording. Take a look at the all-time chart, and remember what I said before. I said there was going to be a up and handle formation. Well, it basically broke that, never formed. But yeah, you never know, with a lot of people anticipating that Bitcoin could drop, especially with prices going up this quickly up. People taking profits from those that bought in, down at these prices, $16,000. I do expect a dip pretty soon, but just with the amount of inflows going in, we're seeing a lot of inflows, and people are speculating already 64,000, just by the time of the halving. 64,000 seems a bit of a stretch for me, but 60K, would be nice. If we get to all-time high 69K by the halving date, then $2 million. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. You're gonna hear a lot of that, this after the halving, and then up to like even next year, people just throwing random 6-figure numbers. Strategize your own profit taking plan. Doesn't matter if it could 100x, but then again it could 1000x. Not financial advice. But yeah, Bitcoin topping $52,000, claiming back that $1 trillion in market cap value. And actually, Genesis has received court approval to redeem its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust holdings of $1.3 billion. Now, that does sound scary, $1.3 billion being sold. However, if you take a look at the inflows, $500 million in a single day. The Bitcoin spot ETF has been going on for, not even like that long, just over close to a month. And BlackRock has accumulated, along with other Bitcoin spot ETFs, over $10 billion, basically close to 1% of the supply. And it's been like what, a month? But yeah, basically everybody anticipating just bigger price movements, especially with BlackRock's just taking in like just so much inflows. $500 million daily inflows and over $2 billion added just in the past 4 days. Take a look at the chart right here. Just a lot of liquidity being pushed into Bitcoin. A lot of people just saying, I wish I would have bought at cheaper prices. It's getting pretty scary time starting to hear all this stuff, because it's the kind of stuff you hear at the top of the market. But worry not, just got to plan out your profit taking plan. But yeah, this is the Bitcoin halving. Like I said, look at that, exactly 2 months away. Under 10,000 blocks remaining, April 18th, around that time frame. So what's your guys' price prediction for once the halving comes by? Comment down below. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and make sure to follow me on Twitter, posting all the anticipated news, any immediate updates. You'll see it right there on X, Twitter. Follow me at Monopoly10. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.